Chat. The sirens are about to go off in 1 minute for their monthly test. As you see, it is 11:59. Thank you for 176 subscribers, y'all. But right now, that one. It's about to go off. It's about to go off. I don't hear it. I don't hear the sirens going off. What's going on? It's literally 12 p.m. Are they gonna go off? It's the first month of Wednesday. It's the first month. How is it not going off? It's literally 12 p.m. and it's not going off. Come on. Please tell me they've been... Is it me or did I barely heard it go off? Did they just do a growl test? Or am I just crazy? Bro, the siren's not... Man, this is crazy. It didn't go off. Barely heard it. Subscribe.